Alright, now we got some action. We got lunch stuff going. I'm guessing you got quesadilla tacos?
No. Oh, yeah. He's making tots.
And tots. Oh, you're making the tots. Hi, Nicole! So, I'm going to sneak by. You see, it's very square, small space. Lisa's getting down with some crab ragoon. You want to say it on there?
I think you have biscuits.
You got biscuits? Butter me biscuits.
Okay, you want to hand me some biscuits from under there?
Sure. Look at me. I can. I'm just going to set that down there a second. Oh, I didn't wash my hands. Just one, yeah?
Yeah, just one.
Oh, hi. How you doing?
You just get those to Eddie.
Here, Eddie. I was going to be nice and open them, but there you go.
Oh, you could have done that.
I was gonna. I like to pop them.
I hate popping them. It scares the crap out of me every time.
Really?
Yep.
And then, here is a line for the Funky Monkey Yummies. Wave! Hello! Kimber! Our friendly... No. Alright. So then we'll go out here and get an outside view. Excuse me, coming by this hot. Oh, sorry. Ow, let go of my pants.
I'm not on your feet.
The cooler grabbed my pants. So then, there's our lunch.